Hi guys, welcome back to another video today. We're on FUTWIZ and that was my first pack. We got Iniesta. Be opening a Totti pack. Who do we get? Give me some goods. Messi! Oh my god. Guys, you don't even know how many times I've packed Messi today. I've packed him 4 times. I basically packed him in. Yesterday I packed Messi and Iniesta. And then I just gone and packed Messi. What a pack. We got Hulk in there as well. What pack? Right, give me some goods. Give me a good pack. Come on, boys. Ibra! Oh my god! 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 What a pack! I really want an excellent pack. Right, give me some goods. Give me a 2 mil. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ibra again. Ibra again. I've packed him twice in a row. How is that even possible? And here, my best pack was 2,284,000. So, my total value of packs at the moment. So, you know what the amount, of pack, you know on the amount of the pack? Well, add them all up, 21 million. Can we get some good today? Cruz. Oh my god. And an inform. That is a pack. That is a sick pack. Come on, boys. Let's just move it, please. Guys, we're moving it so you can actually see the pack. So you can see the pack opening. Oh, I thought it was Robin, but I remembered his striker card is an inform. I'm getting inform as well in the pack. David Rodriguez. Yeah, so let's open the next pack. Hazard! We get Hazard. How much is he worth? He must be a lot. Come on, boys. Then what's a pack we just packed? No, that's illegal. He's worth 200k. That's pretty sick. If you look, where is it? Here. You can see that he's actually worth 200k. You're probably wondering, where am I filming? Filming at my nan's. I think some of you might know. At the moment, I've recorded 6 videos at my nan's, 4 ghosts, 1 sport heads, and 1 of this. So, got an alright pack. Right. Who do we get? Give me some goods. Well, how much was that pack? That was about. Yes, this guy. Dude Powder, whatever, he packed Ronaldo! Oh my god. He didn't actually pack Ronaldo, he packed Pele. That is my second Ronaldo, because guys, you know Lucy who beat Dylan? Yeah, you know Lucy who beat Dylan? Well, she packed Ronaldo. Yeah, and I didn't really pack. Wait, I think I packed Robin or Messi. I don't know, but yeah, I know I packed Robin, but I don't know if I also packed Messi. Oh, we got Aguero. How much is worth? He's worth 260k. Oh god, David Luiz should be worth like 5. You're a rubbish player on FIFA. You never get me. Check. We get check. Oh my god. We get check. 86 rating. Come on, boy. Alright, that should be it. We pack check. Company! We pack company! And Hutchinson. What I like about this FIFA is that Man of the match, Ibrahimovic. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Is that my best pack? 'Cause I swear that is. No, it's not. Oh my god. Give me some goods, please. Oh, Xavi Martinez. Stop it. Get PS points and Xbox points. Alright, next pack. Who do we get? Kaka. Oh, Kaka. Come here, let's go. Oh, go Vardy. We packed Vardy. What a player. He's only 75. But I don't care. He's already a sick player. Oh, yeah. He's worth like 5. He's like 50k. Aguero. We packed 88 rating. Sergio, the Aguero boy. Right, next pack. Give me some goods. We pack Chiellini. Come on, boys. What else did we pack? We packed Rodriguez, but not the actual Rodriguez. The left back Rodriguez from Switzerland. Apparently, yeah. Right, give me next pack. What's my next? Who do I get? Tim Howard, no, I don't even want to think about it. No, don't even want to think about it. Right. Who do we get? But I can't see. We got no one. Who's that guy we actually packed? 'Cause I saw we got Goetze. Are you joking? We actually just we literally packed Goetze. Alright, who did we pack? No, that's illegal. That's seriously illegal. No, that's seriously. We packed the troll Hazard. Are you joking? Oh, the pack's worth 90k. Got Benteke. Right, come on, boys. Give me some goods. No, that's illegal. We should be getting Ronaldo. We got Vardy. He's sick. He was like 50k though. That's not even a lot. Oh god, right, who do we pack? What is that pack? That's not even a good pack. Who do we I got the sound. Wait, did I pack Messi and Ronaldo? I don't know. I know I packed Ronaldo. This pack opening, the last two pack openings, I've got top team of the year. I've got Totti, and I've got Messi in the same pack. This is just amazing banter. This is just amazing banter. It just is. But I want better part. I want a better part. Suarez. We get Cavani. We get facial Cavani. What's a Gario? We've got the troll Messi, but the Argentinian Barcelona centre back. What's a Gario? Oh. Right, we've got two Argentinian. You get Pedro. I want better packs. Give me some good. Just give me someone. Right. Go out the room pack. Who do we get? Yeah. Oh, we got Neuer! We got Neuer! The out the room pack! It works! See, it works. Let's do another one. We have to get a legend. Right. Give me a legend, give me a legend. Legend, please. Give me a legend, boys. Give me a legend. Who do we get? Oh, we got an inform. Okay. Guys, this. Who did we get? I know we got Bonnie. No, we got. Yeah. So, this is the final pack. Close your eyes pack. Who did we get? Oh my god, we got Mata. Guys, our best player was seriously Mata. It doesn't matter though. Do you like a banter? Oh. And points!